This is a short video about the code command that Visual Studio Code offers to quickly view files or directories within Visual Studio Code. In some of my previous videos, I've discussed using Vim or the text editor of your choice to quickly edit a file or set of files. If you're a Insert Text Editor of your choice Pro, then this is a great lightweight solution that's usually available on most shelves and may even be necessary when you remote into a different computer or box. If, however, you're on your local machine and already have Visual Studio Code installed, or aren't some Vim or Emacs expert, you might find the code command that Visual Studio Code offers extremely helpful. If you haven't already added the code command to your path, here's how. In Visual Studio Code, open up the quick navigation bar with Command P in Mac or Control P in Windows and Linux. We aren't searching for or trying to navigate to a file in this case, so begin with the greater than sign. So we're filtering down to the commands that can be run. Type code, and you should see, the first one, shell command, install code command and path. Select that, let it install, and let's head to our terminal. I've already got it installed. Let's say we want to update some aliases or functions in our dot files. Instead of using Vim, we can navigate to the directory that those dot files are in and type code dot. The period is just referring to the current directory that you're already in, but if you know the absolute path, you can always use that instead. In my case, I want to do If for whatever reason you start by opening your terminal first and navigating to your code, and your IDE of choice is Visual Studio Code, you can use this to jump into your code from the command line. SBJ is an alias from a previous video, but it is an alias to get into my Jeopardy directory. Now I'm ready to begin coding. Of course, you can make the above an alias or function as well. That's it. This was a quick video. Thanks for watching.